Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki the Cricket here, and I'm so excited today to share with you my organizing style as a cricket. And this is an organizing style that my friend Cass from the HGTV show Hot Mess House, which the new season is out, so definitely do not miss it, and how she describes my organizing style. And she is spot on. So some of her other YouTube friends, along with myself, we're going to share with you our style, so let's get started. So let me start by saying, to learn more about this whole concept and philosophy that Cass has when it comes to your organizing style, which is totally out of the box and I absolutely love it, I'll link her video where she talks in detail about that. You'll totally love her and you will totally love that. And I am a cricket. I am what you call in the organizational world that perfectionist. And although I am nowhere near perfect, when it comes to organizing, I am striving for that perfect organization. I love for things to be coordinated. I love for everything to be hidden. I don't want to see my things. I want simplicity. And it does sometimes take me longer to organize my spaces because I am very detail oriented. I want everything to have a home, and I want to take my time to make sure that the interior of the drawer coordinates with the organizer. And it really is something that comes natural for me, and it's my preferred way. I'm always looking for that new car feel when it comes to my organization. I want to open any cabinet and any drawer and really feel like I'm in a just brand new beautiful space, and that all goes back to being that cricket. Another thing as a cricket is I really plan out my organization, and sometimes it's to a fault, but I really try to maximize every little inch of my space, and I'm all about function and beauty. It's equal to me, you know. It has to be functional, but it also has to be beautiful. I have to have both. I can't have one or the other. I can have a space that is totally organized, but if it's not beautiful, it does not bring me joy, and I am going to be changing it. It's just who I am. It's how I made. And for all of us, we all have our different organizing styles, and one is not better than the other one, but it is important to understand your organizing style, because organization within your home and your work and your life is what eliminates the stress, what saves you time, and what saves you money. And so being efficient and having systems that work for you and your family are so key with eliminating those barriers, such as that stress and that time and going out and buying all those duplicates because you're disorganized within your space. And so I think that for me, I love being able to just open every drawer and seeing things lined up and having it behind a drawer so I don't have to see it. For the things that are visual, I like for them to be like a well-tuned orchestra and really just sing to me when I open that cabinet door or when I walk in that room with the bookshelf. And so those are the things that I think about. Often as a cricket, when I'm organizing, I'm also pretending like I work in a high-end department store. I'm going for that feel where I'm selling myself on my organization. So when I set up spaces in my home, it is like I'm trying to attract myself and my family to that system. And so by thinking that I'm working in a retail store, creating this display, I'm trying to buy in those customers, and that is my family and myself. And friends, this definitely sums me up as a cricket. And don't forget to check out Cass on Hot Mess House on HGTV. You will love her. I'm so excited about this season. I will not miss one episode. And I'll put a link to Cass's channel below. Definitely learn more about those organizing styles. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And also check out the playlist. I'll put the link to there so you can see all the other ladies and their videos also to learn their different organizing styles. Have a beautiful day, my friend. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki the Cricket saying goodbye.